Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with FarmTogether for farmland investing platforms, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start your journey with FarmTogether for farmland investing, visit the official FarmTogether website. Look for the sign up or get started button on the homepage. Click on that button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements listed on the site. After inputting your information, click on the Continue or Next button. Check your email for a confirmation message from FarmTogether. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Return to the FarmTogether website and log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, you will need to complete your profile. Fill out the required personal information, including your name and contact details. Next, provide your financial information as requested. This may include your investment goals and risk tolerance. Agree to the terms and conditions presented on the platform. Once all details are filled out, submit your profile for review. After your profile is approved, you will gain access to available investment opportunities. Browse through the different farmland investments listed on the platform. Select a farm investment that interests you and review its details. Make sure to read the offering documents carefully. If you decide to invest, click on the Invest Now button for that opportunity. You will need to enter the amount you wish to invest. Review your investment summary once again to ensure accuracy. Confirm your investment to finalize the process. You will receive a confirmation email for your successful subscription. Stay updated on your investments through the dashboard on your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.